Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This is Rajeshwari Mishra presenting a new topic of COAD, that is signed and unsigned integer. Before going to the unsigned integer representation, we should know that integer representation is divided into two types. First is unsigned integer, second is signed integer. Signed integer is categorized is three types: sign and magnitude, ones complement and twos complement. But both have the common properties. What are they? Only one bit pattern per value, equal number of positive and negative values, maximum range of values, no gaps in the range. Unsigned integer is an integer without a sign value, and its range is between 0 and positive infinity. The range of unsigned integer lies between always 0 and positive infinity. Whenever the number of bit is 8, the range is 0 to 255, and whenever the number of bits is 16, the range is 0 to 65,535. That means whenever the number of bits will increase, the range will also increase. This is about the unsigned integer. Here we are taking an example like store 7 in an 8-bit memory location. First step, change the number to binary, that is triple one. 7, that means 8 4 2 1. 1 1 1, that means 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. That means here the change the number means 7 to binary, that will be triple one. But here we are required 8-bit memory location. Here this is 3-bit, that means we are added 5 zeros. Add 5 zeros to make total number of 8-bit, that means 5 zeros triple one. Here now it is 8-bit, then store to the memory location. The second example is store 258 in 16-bit memory location. First change the number to binary. How we will change? In LCM procedure. 258 divided by 2, 129 remainder is 0, then 64 remainder is 1, 32 remainder is 0, 16 remainder is 0, 8 remainder is 0, 4 here 0, 2 here 0, 1 is 0, 0 is 1. Then the arrow mark will go down to top. That means 258 converted to binary form is 1 6 zeros 1 0. Here it is 9-bit, but as our question we are required 16-bit, so we are adding 7 zeros. That means 70160110, and now it is 16-bit and it will store in 16-bit memory location. Then comes to the signed integer. As we know that in previous case, unsigned integer always follow that the range lies between 0 to positive infinity, but signed integer is different from unsigned integer. It follows negative number as well as the positive number. That means the signed integer is categorized into three types: sign and magnitude, ones complement and twos complement. What is that sign and magnitude? Suppose we are taking an example 5 zeros and triple one. The last, that means the first zero defines the sign. That means the first zero which is leftmost significant, it defines the sign, and the rest defines the magnitude. It tells that leftmost significant bit represents the sign of the integer and the remaining bit represents the magnitude. Here it represents the sign and the rest represents the magnitude. Here we are taking an example store plus 7 in 8-bit memory location in sign and magnitude. First, we should know that the number is plus 7. How we will know that it belongs to either in sign integer or unsigned integer? As it is plus 7, that means the plus sign is over here. That means the number is signed integer. It is not an unsigned integer. That means we are writing here 8 9 6 For all are unsigned integer. But if we will write 7 minus 8 plus 7 minus 8 minus 2 plus 4, all belong to a signed integer. Here unsigned, here signed integer. Here our question is store plus 7 in 8-bit memory location, sign and magnitude. That means the plus 7 means first 7, convert the number 7 to binary, that means 111. As because it belongs to sign integer, we are needed 8-bit memory location, and here we have 3-bit. So extra bit we require 5-bit, but first we added 4 zeros, that means 40 and 31, that means 7-bit. Here 4031, that means here total 7-bit. And in next step we add the extra zeros, as because the number is positive, as our number is plus 7, the last step is add extra 0. If the number will negative minus 7, here we will add 1, that means here the bit is 8-bit, and finally we will store in 8-bit memory location. Store in minus 258 in 16-bit memory location using sign and magnitude representation. Finally, the number is 258, but the number is negative. First, change the number to binary, as we know that the binary form of 258 is 16010. Then add 60 to make the number of 15-bit. As the number is minus 258, we are not adding 70. First we will add 60 to make it 15-bit, and finally we checked that yes, the number is negative. So finally we will add the extra 1 because the number is negative. So here 60 16010, and in the last step we are adding 1 as because the number is negative, and the final result is 16010. The second bit of the sign integer comes to the ones complement. Ones complement means reversing all the bits. 0 reverse to the 1 and 1 reverse to the 0. That means 7 in binary form 5010. If we'll ask the ones complement of this number, that means 1 is convert to the 0 and 0 is convert to the 1. That means 51000. This is the ones complement. Here we are taking another example. Store minus 258 in 16-bit memory location, but in using ones complement. First we are changing the 258 to binary form. That means 258 in binary form is 16010. But we are requiring 16-bit memory location. So add 70. Here we have 9 digit. Here 4, here 5, 9 bit. Sorry, 9 bit, not 9 digit, 9 bit. So here we are adding 70, 16010, but the sign bit is negative, the number is negative, so each bit is complemented. That means 71 here, 70 here we are traversed, 71, 1 is converted to 0, all the zeros are converted to 1, 1 is converted to 0 and 0 is converted to 1. The final result is 7106101. This is the final result of 258 minus 258 in 16-bit memory location using ones complement. Then comes to the next topic, twos complement, that belongs to sign integer. Twos complement means twos complement can be achieved by reversing all the bit except the rightmost bit up to the first one. Suppose here we are considering one number, that means 000140. If we will go from right to left, this is the first one, and up to this much the number will remain same. After that all the digits are reversed, like here zeros are reversed to 1 and this remains same, like the 000140 and its 2's complement is here. If we'll go from right to left, the first one is this, up to this remains same, and after that all zeros are converted to 1. This is the 2's complement. Another example, double one double zero one double zero. If we'll go from right to left, here this is the first one, remains same like 100, and after that all the bit are reversed. 1 is converted to 0 and 0 is converted to 1. 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1, and here 1 0 0 remains same. This is the 2's complement. Here we are taking an example for the 2's complement. Store plus 7 in 8-bit memory location using 2's complement. First, what we'll do, first convert that number to the binary, that means 7. Convert the 7 to binary, that is 111. Add 5 zeros because we are required 8-bit memory location. Here we are adding 5 zeros to make it 8-bit. Here 50 111. But as the number is positive, no more action is required. We'll know that the first come to the right to left, and first one will be remain same, and after that all the bits are changed. But here, as the number is positive, no more action is required, and this is the result for the 2's complement of plus 7. Next example, store minus 40 in 16-bit memory location using 2's complement. First, convert that number to binary, and here we are converting by using the LCM procedure. 40 divided by 220, remainder is 0, then divided by 210, remainder is 0, then 5, remainder is 0, then 2, remainder is 1, then 1, remainder is 0, then 0, remainder is 1, and the arrow mark will go like this, down to up. Then the binary form of 40 is 1 0 1 triple 0 1 0 1 triple 0, but here we have 6-bit, so we are adding 10-bit, as because the question is asked in 16-bit memory location. Here we are adding 10 zeros, 10 0 1 0 1 triple 0, but the sign is negative, the number is negative, so leave rightmost zeros up to first one. Here we are representing that 40 in 16-bit memory location by using the 2's complement. As we know, the 2's complement means we'll go from right to left, and first we check the first one will come where. The first one will come here, that means 100. Here it will remain same, 100. After that all the bits are changed. 0 is changed to 1, 1 is changed to 0, that means 10 0. Here 10 1, 1 is converted to 0, 0 is converted to 1, and here 100 remains same. This is the 2's complement of what? Of 40 in 16-bit memory location. Here this is the 16-bit memory location. This is the final result. Thank you.